Why is it happening? The answer to this question can be understood by knowing how our planet maintains its temperature. The Earth is covered by an atmosphere which not only helps us in breathing but also helps in regulating the temperature of the Earth. You will be surprised to know that without the atmosphere, the average Earth's temperature will be minus 18 degrees centigrade. It will be too cold for life to survive on the planet. Atmosphere helps in keeping the average temperature at 15 degrees centigrade. So the atmosphere works like a blanket, keeping us warm throughout the year. Scientists call this greenhouse effect. What is a greenhouse? Let's see one to know how it works. A greenhouse is made up of glass or plastic and helps the plants in keeping warm in winters by trapping the sun's heat. The sun's rays enter the greenhouse and warm the air inside. This air inside is now trapped and the heat loss due to convection is prevented. Some infrared radiation is reflected back from the ground and other surfaces, further heating the greenhouse. The Earth's atmosphere works the same way as a greenhouse does. The sun's rays in the visible spectrum consist of infrared radiation which provides heat. 70% of the heat energy is absorbed by land, water and air, while 30% gets reflected back. As Earth's temperature increases, it starts radiating heat. This heat is radiated back in the form of infrared radiation, while some heat escapes into space. A major component is absorbed by the atmosphere, which traps this heat like a greenhouse, and by not allowing the heat to escape, it further warms the planet. This equilibrium of heat gain and loss helps the Earth maintain its average temperature at around 15 degrees centigrade. The trapping of the heat radiation is achieved by the presence of gases like water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and some other inert gases in the atmosphere, which for convenience are called greenhouse gases. These gases have large molecules and they get heated when the heat radiation strikes them. The hot molecules now radiate heat to the atmosphere, so this cycle goes on indefinitely. Now you can observe that the concentration of these gases is very important for maintaining the global temperature. If we keep adding more and more greenhouse gases to the atmosphere, it is bound to keep getting warmer and warmer in the times to come.